To increase your credit score quickly, consider implementing the following strategies. Pay bills on time. Payment history is a significant factor in your credit score. Make sure to pay all bills, including credit card bills, loans, and utilities, on time to avoid negative marks on your credit report. Reduce credit card balances. Aim to keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limit. High credit utilization can negatively impact your credit score. Pay down balances and avoid maxing out credit cards. Limit new credit applications. Opening multiple new credit accounts in a short period can lower your average account age and result in hard inquiries, both of which can harm your score. Only apply for credit when necessary. Check credit reports. Regularly review your credit reports for errors or fraudulent activity. Dispute any inaccuracies you find to ensure your credit report reflects accurate information. Diversify credit types. Having a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your credit score. However, only open new accounts if you can manage them responsibly. Become an authorized user. If possible, become an authorized user on a family member's or friend's credit card with a positive payment history. This can help boost your credit score by adding their account's positive history to your credit report.